And greetings of the day, class. Today we'll try to learn TCL commands. The full form of TCL is Transaction Control Language Commands. Under this category, we have commit, rollback, save point. Three commands are there. Commit is used to make changes permanent, means whatever you are doing in the current session will be permanent, will be saved if you use commit. But if you use rollback, it will undo all the changes done in the current session. Means whatever you have done in the current session will be rollback, will be undone. Save points work as a marker between the transaction. Suppose you have done one transaction, then you have created a save point. After that, you have done another transaction. But when you after second transaction, you thought that it was a wrong transaction. In that case, you can roll back to up to that save point. Clear? Let's go ahead with command by command. Commit command, we all know that it is used to make changes permanent. Syntax is very simple. It is commit. Let me select the pen. So this is commit. And in this example, what we are doing, we are going to add 200 in the salary of employees of department number 20. So after this command, if I do rollback, so this addition of 200 will be undone. Means we have added 200 in the salary of all employees of department number 20. After this rollback command, this will be undone. Means this will not have any effect on it. But if we use commit after this update command, then all the changes which is done by update command will be saved, will be permanent. And suppose if I use or run rollback after commit command, there will be no effect of it. Means rollback can roll back all the transaction, all the changes done in the current session after last commit. Clear? If anything is committed and saved, there is no effect of rollback. So we all know that rollback is used to make changes, undo all the changes after last commit. I have already told you. Suppose we have deleted records of department number 30. After this command, all the records of department number 30 will be deleted. If I do rollback, I will be able to get all the records back. Then comes save point. Save point, I have already told you that save point is a marker within the transaction that allows for a partial rollback, not complete. For complete rollback, you need to use rollback command. But if you are rollbacking to a particular point, that is called save point, you can have partial rollback. So all the changes made in a transaction, we can create save points. We can create multiple save points and create different markers within the transaction. So let's go ahead further. This is the example. I have created first save point A. After that, I have deleted all the records of department number 10. Then I have created another save point. After that, I have deleted records of department number 2. Then I have roll back to, suppose if I thought that suppose if I think that this deletion was wrong, what I will do, I have written rollback to say point B. Means this rollback will be done up to this. This deletion will remain there. Only deletion of records using this command will be undone. I'm able to save this previous transaction. Beyond that, suppose I'm adding 2000 in the cell of department number 10. But we all know that in this case I have already deleted. So you can make it to 20. Make it 20. Means for department number 20. Right? This command will be like update emp set salary equals to salary plus 2000 where department number equals to 20. So in this case, salary of all employees of department number 20 will be incremented by 2000, right? After that I have created a say point C. Then I'm going to delete from emp. Delete from emp will delete all records of department emp table, right? So sure, we can understand that this was a wrong transaction. Now I want to get it back. This was the right transaction, so I don't want to lose this. What I will do, roll back to say point C. Means only this deletion will be rolled back. This will be there, this will be there, right? So I think now you can understand the use of say point command, how it helps in doing partial rollback and even saving changes made by the previous transactions. Now we'll move to the SQL prompt for hands-on session for the same. Let's directly move to the SQL prompt. So here I am on SQL prompt. First of all, I will use commit command. For commit command, I need to delete some records. So I'm going to delete from emp where the EPT number equal to say 20. It says 5 record deleted. Let's check. Select star from emp. You will be able to see we are having records of department number 30 and 10 only. And suppose I want to get it back, I need to simply use rollback. Rollback complete. Now after this rollback, if you write the same command, select star from emp, you'll be able to get all records. All 14 records are there. Means the records which I have deleted earlier is now back in place. Now comes commit command. So let me create a copy of this emp table because I don't want to delete anything from emp. So select star from let's create table emp3 as select star from emp. So I have created one additional table for exercise purposes. So now I'm going to delete records of department number 20 from emp3 table. Before doing that, let me see the records of emp. I will write simple select star from emp3, which is copy of emp. I'm having 14 records. Now I'm going to delete delete from emp3 where DPT number equals to 30. Clear? Now I will write commit, and then I will try to see select star from EMP3. Now you can see the records of department number 30 is missing. Department number 30 is not seen in the output. Clear? Now I'm trying to roll back, and then I'm trying to see the records. There is no change in the previous output and in the current output. Both are same. Why? Because I'm doing rollback after commit statement. We all know that after commit there will be no changes in the tables data or in the records. Now you can understand delete, commit and rollback. These two things you have already learned. Now I'm going to demonstrate use of save point. So let me create one command, or let me create one more copy with the name emp4 for the demonstration purpose. Let me see the number of records. I'm writing mp4. I have having complete 14 records. So I'm going to delete. I'm going to create save point. Create. It's simple. Write save point A. It says save point created. This is one marker. Now I'm going to delete something. Select star from mp4 where dpt number equals to 10. This is the selection, but now I'm going to delete. So I have deleted 3 records, then created another save point B. Save point created. Then I'm going to delete from mp4. I have deleted 11 records. So if I write, so in my thought process, this deletion was wrong, which I should not do. So if I write simple rollback, what will happen? This deletion will be undone, right? Means the records which I have deleted for department number 10 will also be deleted. And if I delete up to certain save points like B, what will happen? Select, let's see. I will write down rollback back to save point roll back to save point B. So you will see after this the records deleted by this command will be rollbacked. See it here, select star from emp4. Now you can understand I'm having 11 records, but if I do rollback only, then I will be able to get these records also back, and with the records which I have deleted with this command. Means 11 plus 3 record all will be rollback. If I'm writing simply rollback, right? And now I'm writing rollback only. What will happen? You will get all 14 records. See it here, all 14 records are. So rollback is simply used for partial rollback if you have created marker between the transaction. And marker is nothing but is a point command. So I hope now you are able to understand or use commit, rollback, and save point. And all these three commands are called TCL commands, that is called transaction control language commands. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great learning ahead.